Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dan Richmond, and today we're going to go over something really cool, guys. I've been exploring all the vibe coding tools and all the different things you can do with AI thus far, and we're talking about with coding tools like Cursor, Lovable, Bolt. All these different applications are being built, guys. It's really every day new features come out, and I'm just here to show you the best thing, the easiest way to get started, and a secret hack that I've learned that makes everything so much better. So let's just jump into the video. Alright guys, we're going to jump into these tips and tricks and like what makes like how you can be the best vibe coder out there, right? You want to be a pro vibe coder? I think that this hack is one of the best tools I've learned from dealing with this stuff. Now let me just show you. So first of all, if you guys haven't been back to my channel, or you don't know the update or why I haven't uploaded any videos, I'm just going to talk about Dank'N'Devour for a second. I've been filming Dank'N'Devour, guys. It's new content that I've been making. 654 followers on Facebook. We're growing. It's a content channel where I review cannabis and food in the same video. So go check it out. Dank'N'Devour on all platforms. We have a Dank'N'Devour official website. You can see all the different videos I've done. You can join the Dank Club, or you can shop and buy our merch, guys. We got Dank'N'Devour merch. Go check that out. But let's go jump back into what this video is about, guys, and the secret hack. So the first and foremost thing is when you go to vibe code, right? The first part of vibe coding is really figuring out like what kind of product you want to build, guys. And really, there's a ton of different ways to do that. You can just say like to ChatGPT, here's a prompt. We can do like, give me 10 SaaS ideas that go with trending topics right now that can generate me. This is like 10K MRR, guys, means basically month after month reoccurring revenue. So 10K MRR is like you're making 10K a month off this product. That is a digital product to solve a pain point in someone's day. So this is just an example, guys, right? So I'm using ChatGPT. As you can see, I use ChatGPT for a lot of different things. And so yeah, okay, so let's just check this out. So AI video notes for YouTube and podcast. Yeah, I've been seeing stuff like that. Zoom companion, meeting shrinker, AI therapy from Journal for Men, parent safe AI, raising concerns about screen time and digital safety. Parents can monitor kids' phone usage. Blah, 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 showing their kids, yeah, we're using AI. Silent exit, breakup assistant, job hacker. Alright, so you get the point, right? You can take any one of these ideas, guys, and then you go and start building with these tools. Lovable, Bolt, blah, blah, blah. But I'm going to tell you the secret hack. But before we get into the secret hack, let me show you just an example of some of the tools I built. So guys, I built Patriot Tech Solutions. It was supposed to be a tech company that I was going to launch. I used to own a brand called Dan the Tech Man here in Michigan, where I helped people repair PCs, break fix, networking, all that kind of stuff. And I was going to rebuild it. So here's like a site I built. Let's just go to the full version. Here's like a site I built. Yeah, so we do smart devices, professional installation. Here's our packages, guys. We do smart cameras, video doorbells. You can see it has automation. I mean, this website's ready to go, guys. So I built a couple different things with Lovable, and I just want to show you guys, like, I know what I'm talking about, right? Here's Omni Magic. This is one we're actually going to be, like, demonstrating in a minute. Omni Menu, I'll show you back. We'll go back to that. Poopster, this is my dog waste company that's actually a real company in Michigan. This is our website. I just built it with Lovable because it was easier to scale. And, yeah, it's pretty cool. So, guys, I built a lot of different tools. And let me just tell you, I'm pretty much a pro now at these tools. And I'm going to show you one of the best hacks ever for getting ready to build. Like, when you're building out your prompts and you want to build the best prompt possible to save your messages. So, because basically with all these tools, you guys are using credits, right? You have to use credits. And what credits are basically you purchase like tokens, they're like digital tokens, and basically those credits go towards how many prompts you can use with all these tools. Now, if you want to save your prompts, guys, I'm going to show you just the best way to do this, okay? And guys, I want to show you, besides doing like the functionality of your website, you're going to want to do how your website looks. And a lot of these tools and a lot of vibe coding now is about the design as well. And Figma and some other tools are developing AI. I mean, Figma basically is a program that is for UI designing, and they're developing tools as well using AI to just import the Figma right out to different tools. Now, one of the biggest tools for UI right now is called V0, guys, and you can see, like I said, I've tried different things. You can see my projects over here. Dan the Techman website, it helped me get an idea for that. Here's the UFO reporting app I built with Lovable. This is I didn't actually take the UI, but it's pretty close to my Lovable product. I built this actually first. And actually, if you guys, just to show you, Report UAP is the actual live website that I built for reporting UAP. And right now the map's down. I gotta fix it. Lovable has, some things that Lovable's not so great at, which I know other people are using Cursor for those things. But I've been really just testing Lovable and really deep diving into these different tools. So let's talk about Omni Menu, guys, and I'm just going to show you. So as you can see, guys, Omni Menu for me was an app that I built because when I look for menus online, sometimes I'm either finding outdated ones, the Google one, which isn't really cool to read, and just having some issues finding menus. And as a food reviewer, I've been dealing with menus like a lot lately, with looking at these restaurants and trying to find places to eat for Dank'N'Devour. And so one thing I thought about was, man, what if I could use AI to create a better digital menu and then also build something that they can embed. All restaurants can just embed on any of their platforms, right? I'm talking DoorDash, all that. So this is where Omni Menu came up, guys. I thought of this idea, Omni Menu. And the reason I'm talking about Omni Menu right now and kind of sharing it is because I don't know if I'm going to actually do it or not. But here's Omni Menu, QR code generation, AI menu structuring. This is all a project I built vibe coding, guys. I built this vibe coding. Here's the pricing. As you can see, the $99 a month is like a multi-restaurant owner. And it removes the branding. They get API access. All sorts of stuff, right? All sorts of stuff that I was offering with this application. Now, I didn't actually do Omni Menu, I don't think, in V0 or try to actually do any special design. But this is just an example of the project I vibe coded. Now, let's finally talk about this hack, guys. I know that you've been watching this video waiting for me to talk about this hack, so I'm not going to be one of those YouTubers that just keeps going and going and never gets to it. So we're going to just talk about it now. So the best thing that I like, that I figured out before I actually develop prompts for Lovable, sometimes I really work on the business idea and all that inside of ChatGPT, just because ChatGPT is really fast to really think of business plans, and you can just take advantage of that, right? So I use ChatGPT for that. Now, when it comes to building out my app, so say, Omni Menu, guys, that's the app we're going to build out. Say we're working on Omni Menu. So what is Omni Menu, right? So it's just a website SaaS for creating menus for restaurants. So we're just going to go here to Google AI Studio, guys, and we're going to tell it exactly what we want. So basically, I want to build a SaaS application called Omni Menu for restaurants to create menus using AI tools, using AI, and be able to embed them on any platform, i.e. DoorDash, website in-store on in-store display. Alright, so they got to be able to put these menus, guys, not only on DoorDash website, but the in-store display, right? That has to be a part of this. So, that's why it's part of this prompt. So, make me a prompt for Lovable to create this application. I want to add a QR code embed for restaurants to make their own QR code the menu as well. That's an important part, guys, so we're going to include that. But watch how good this works. For all of my prompts now, I always come to this Google AI Studio. AI Studio is free to use, guys. And look at this. So basically, you can just copy this, right? Copy this right to the clipboard. Now, guys, say you didn't have an Omni menu already built. I'm just going to show you what happens. We're going to put this Lovable. We're just going to paste this right in Lovable, okay? And let's just see what happens, even though we already have an Omni menu built. Let's just see how good, without me refining the prompt or reading through exactly what Google said. Just watch how good this comes out, okay? Guys, while we're waiting, let's go over to bolt.new, and just for shits and giggles, guys, since they are competitors, let's use the same prompt. And, actually, I don't think I have all the information here. We're going to use the same prompt, and we're going to paste it in. So, let's go. Let's just make a new prompt using Google. Alright, let's just see if it can make us a prompt for bolt.new instead of, the Lovable one. We'll just copy this up to here. Project name, Omni menu. Alright, guys, we're gonna copy this. Let's go over to bolt.new and just paste this in. And see, let's see what bolt.new comes up with, guys. This will be interesting. It's thinking. Let's go check out Lovable now. Alright, let's see. Okay, look at this, guys. Omni menu. Create, customize, and distribute your menus everywhere. Restaurant profile. Create new menu. Generate codes. Brunch special. Draft. Here, let's see what we got here. Replace your restaurant icon. Build unsuccessful. Looks like we're still having some errors, guys, so just give us a minute. Alright, guys, it looks like Lovable is fully done now. Let's check it out. So, we got this summer menu. Let's see. View, edit menu. Oh, wow, guys, we can edit. Look, it's got a full menu here. And we can edit the menu ourselves. We can delete menu items. Interesting. And then scan for digital menu. Download as a PDF or full screen preview. So let's just see here. Look, it looks crazy good on a phone. Wow, it actually built. So what did it build? Let's just see. Yeah, it's like Canva or Figma, but for restaurants. That's what this built. So this didn't actually build a SaaS, guys. It looks like I could put this behind a SaaS wall. But this is actually just like a menu builder, like Elementor Pro, basically, for menus. So, pretty interesting. I'm just waiting on bolt.new, guys. Oh, I've created a comprehensive SaaS application for Omni Menu with all the core features you requested. The application is built with React, TypeScript, and Tailwind, featuring clean, professional design. With clear separate, the UI components are designed to be reusable and consistent throughout the application. Alright, we'll see what you can. Wow, look at this, guys. Create AI-powered menus for modern restaurants. Wow. Looks like Bolt. Looks like Bolt. Before, I don't know. Bolt must have got an update because this looks pretty damn good. Let's just see what's going on here. AI-powered menus for modern restaurants. Create beautiful digital menus. Manage them in one place and share them everywhere on your website and delivery platforms. Learn more. Everything you need. Manage all your menus in one place. Update and see changes everywhere. Generate appetizing descriptions for your menus with our AI technology. Trusted by, yeah, look at this. Trusted by restaurants worldwide. Ready to digitize your menu? Oh, start your free trial today. Here's the pricing. Let's see if we got a pricing page. Oh, I don't think we got a pricing page. But we did get a login page. Wow. So, guys, on this one, I don't think the Google AI Studio changed our prompt much. Yeah. Let's see. Project description. Is it the same? I think honestly, I think I just copied this part. I don't think I actually copied this part, guys. It's okay. It's thinking. So what it did, guys, was the code that I pasted in from Google was just this code part. So it came up with all this part, which the AI menu builder, the QR thing, and the dashboard, right? But it didn't do the whole application because I messed up a little bit and I didn't copy the rest of the prompt. But that's probably why bolt.new came up with a better application at first. But with my experience, Lovable has been a little bit better on this. But I'm Dan Richmond. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried to show you a little tip and trick I've learned from using all these different tools. Guys, this works with V0 as well. When you guys do your UI, make the prompt in Google first. I'm telling you, it just works better. I don't know what the secret hack is or why this is the thing, but Google even works better than trying to make the prompt in ChatGPT. So, this is my hack, guys. I've been vibe coding for a while. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and you learned a secret hack for vibe coding. Enjoy your vibe coding. I hope you guys build awesome products, and I'll see you in the next video.